everybody. We are the Traveling Lovebirds. I'm Leo.
And I'm Marie.
And I want to tell you about our Saratoga.
Saratoga Springs.
Saratoga Springs in Disney World. We are staying there for a couple of days. This is a relaxing day for us today. And we are staying at their beautiful pool. We are doing anything. We're resting our feet. Because I'm going to tell you, we did a lot of walking and a lot of things, a lot of exercise and got involved there.
Yeah. It's one of the pools. It's not the main pool.
It's one of the pools that...
It depends on where you're staying. We're staying this time at the grandstand.
You know.
And they have their own pool assigned to that villas.
Those villas,
and then there's the main one at the Springs. There's one at Congress Park. There's one at Paddock. And I don't think Carousel has any pools.
Yeah. But it's close enough where they share a pool, probably.
Yes.
So we are going to show you everything and let you know what we thought, and we're going to take you along with us.
Yep.
We're creating another memory. Thank you. Watch and see. Okay, everyone, this is our room tour of the Saratoga Springs Grandstand, our 2-bedroom villa. Alright, this is our room tour. This is the 2-bedroom villa. This is where we're staying for 3 days. This is the kitchen. You got a stove, a microwave. This is for DVC members. And this is your living room. Marie's comfortable there. They gave you something to read too. One day at Disney, meet the people who make the magic across the globe. That's the truth. Big size screen TV. I think that would, if I were to guess, I think that's like a 65-inch screen. You walk out here to the balcony. Nice little size balcony. Yeah, we have the golf course view on this one. Yeah, if you could see, there's people playing golf right over there, off to the distance. You could watch them play golf for a while. But it's nice. This is quiet. It's really quiet over here. And I'm going to take you through to the bedroom.
One of them.
One of the bedrooms. This is the 2-bedroom villa. So, when we go into this bedroom, there's 2 queen beds, another TV, a nice dresser, nice little chair, no balcony, just the 2 windows, but you got 2 queen beds that are really nice. And this is the Saratoga Springs, and this is, evidently Walt was very into horses. He loved horses, so this is like the Saratoga, New York. Hello. Bathroom, double sink. Another nice sized bathroom. You got the, I love those showers. This is like, you got the double shower. You got the, the wand, and then plus the shower head up above with these. Then they give you the shampoo, body wash, conditioner. Beautifully tiled. Perfect. 2 big closets. Like a his and a hers. Then there's another closet in here, but this one here is like, you could hang stuff, and that's where the vacuum cleaner, if you want to make a mess, you could clean it too. So this is the washer and dryer. Look at that. They give you a nice washer and dryer with the broom, the basket, Everything you need. Got a bathroom in here. This villa's got 2 bathrooms, 2 showers, and 1 tub. And the tub is deep. And it has the rainforest shower head, body wash they give you, the shampoo, the conditioner. It's beautiful. Everything, so convenient. See that deep tub right there? My God, it's so deep. And then here's another bathroom. Actually, it's just the tub and the sink right here, and then the toilet. So this room would has its own, the master bedroom has its own bathroom. This is another walk-in closet right here. Then you go in here is another king-size bedroom. Beautiful. Now Walt had a lot to do with horses. As you could see, he had a lot to do, and that's why I guess they picked Saratoga was one of his places that he liked to visit, I'm assuming. And then this over here is our living room, which I showed before, but I have some surprises right here. This piece of furniture right here, believe it or not, underneath the television, is a twin-size bed.
Oh, look at the little horse.
And they give you the pillows, and there's Goofy sitting on his favorite horse.
Oh, this little sunrise, that's adorable.
And then you pull this up. So that's another. This actually sleeps, I believe,
I think 9.
9 people. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 9. This is a 9 sleeper. So then you have this coffee table right here. And this comes up like this. So you could even have a table there for the kids to eat.
It has a nice
and you
little
could put your
storage.
pillows in there.
Yeah.
That's where the pillows were stored. Now what we do is we take this and we move it along over here. Wait till you see this. And then you move this ottoman out of the way. Put it alongside. You come over here. This over here, this piece of furniture, this is going to knock your socks off. Watch this.
That's adorable.
It's a queen-size bed. Beautiful. Then you got the Mickey and Minnie
That's
sitting
adorable.
in the by the castle. Donald Duck
No,
is
that's
there.
Walt's house
That's Walt's house?
that he grew up in, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's the one you see in Living with the Land, I think.
Okay. And then there's Donald and Daisy Duck.
Yep.
And there's Goofy with his binoculars up there. You got Pluto here.
Got a lot of outlets.
The outlets are on the side. There's lights. This is really nice. This is great. And then you just put it up like this. Pull it back up. And you got the sofa. Look at how the sofa's coming, how it's coming up from underneath. It's going back to its normal state.
Huh.
Is that good or what? I also forgot to mention that it does come fully equipped with glasses, plates, coffee cups. Even if you want to bake, there's baking dishes. I don't know who comes here to cook. We never come here to cook. We got the coffee pot, dishwasher. All your cooking utensils. pots and pans. Well, 2 pots. Garbage disposal also. And it comes with like the sponge, dish soap, paper towels. That's all part of the DVC. That's the DVC, the Disney Vacation Club members. Well, you pay for it, but they give you the everything, all the conveniences of home, which is very good. I like it. Well, that's the end of our room tour. Now let's go swimming. Oh wait, I can't swim. Look at a nice pool. We're gonna go in that nice pool. We're gonna find out if there's a jacuzzi, a hot tub. And you got refreshments over there too, it looks like. Oh yeah. This is gonna be nice, Marie. This is a real small pool though, for this big place. If you want, it's up to you. This is the food snack train. Freddie's our server. Say hi, Freddie. That is actually tile.
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
I wonder if that's Walt riding that horse. Let me know in the comments. If anybody knows, let me know. Marie and I had gotten a buffalo chicken nachos. It was $10.49, but I'll tell you, they loaded up the chicken. They loaded up the chips. It was so good. I would recommend it. And on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 9. That was really good. And of course, we had to get the Mickey pretzel, which comes with the cheese, which was $7.19. Well, don't you know, we had to go back for dessert and get the specialty cone. And we had to get the specialty cup. It came in a cup and it came in a cone. Beautifully decorated and delicious, I might add. We enjoyed it. Well, before we go back to the room after a good day in the pool and a lot of sunshine, we had to go check out the lobby. We heard that it was really nice. It was great. And we're going to get a bite to eat for lunch at Artist Point. There's a little gift shop in there, and they got some good food. It's a quick grab and go, but the food and prices were pretty reasonable. And then they have the gift shop that has all different things, which is normal. You got your Disney merch. I love it, though. I love it. I gotta tell you, the pool is beautiful.
Yeah.
Freddie at the, he was,
snack bar?
He rolled out the carpet for us every time that we went there. We had the
buffalo chicken nachos. It was so good.
Buffalo chicken nachos, and then we had, of course, we had to get a Mickey pretzel. We had our Mickey pretzel, and
we had the special cone, Spanish Heritage Month.
Yeah,
it was
the ice cream cone.
It was, and you had the Dole Whip swirl.
I did. It was the cherry swirl. That was really good.
Yeah.
It was really good, and let me tell you, it was hot. We were sweating. Yeah. It was very hot, so the pool was perfect.
Pool day.
Perfect pool day. It was. We had a like a black cloud come over, but it thundered a little bit. We got a little worried about it, but never rained.
No.
So we took you along with us. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.
Ring that notification bell. Ding-a-ding-ding.
Thanks again. Well, that's going to do it. This memory is over. Not completely. It's the place to be. Shine like the sun. What a day.